Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change paper size in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now simply select File option and select Page Setup option and apply to select here whole document. You can make it landscape and here you will find this paper size option. Our paper size is letter size. Now I'll make it A4 size and simply select here A4 and select OK. And see this our paper already converted to A4 size. Now again I will change this paper size. Select file option and page setup and select your whole document and paper size. I'll make it legal size and select OK. Yeah, in this way you can change your paper size. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.